everyone. Welcome in MultiChoice Academy. Today we are solving NCERT Class 7th Mathematics Exercise 3.2. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get regular updates.
Now today we discuss the exercise 3.2 question number 2. The question number 2 is the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Data is 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Find mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? This is the question. In the previous video, we have know the and familiar with the mean. Today we discuss the mode and median one by one. So first we find the mean. So how can we find the mean? Finally, take the sum of that data and divide it by the number of, that is the 11 players. The number of that is divided by 11, and that data is the, also you count it. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is okay. So now we take the sum of that whole data, that is 429 divided by 11. So mean becomes 39. Now next term is the mode, and that is the new thing. What is the mode? How can we find it? So first we explain that what is the mode. The mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. It is clear? Mode means in the data, what should be the data is repeated mostly in your data. Okay? In that examples, in the given data, first we make the tabular form. In one observation you can find that here is the 15 comes the maximum times. So then the mode is the 15. But in the mathematically how can we find? So first we make the tabular form of that data. So here we write down the first run scored. That run scored means 6, 8, 10, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. Then we make the tally bars, means how many times it occurs in your data. So we are taking that the simple line. 6 is occur in the 1 times, 8 is occur in the 1 time. So we are simply place the one standing line. It is okay. And after 4, that tally bar is taking like that. If that occurring of the number is more than 4, so then we cut that one bundle. Another 6 is counting like that. So that is the representation of the tally bars. So in our data, we are writing down that run score and we are taking the tally bar. 6 is occur in the 1 time. Here we write down, and here we write down the in the numbering system, that is the 1 time. 8 is similarly 1. Here we write down the 1. 10 is repeated in 2 times. So here we tally 2 times and here we write down the 2 numbers. Now we come into the 15. 15 comes into the 3 times. So we are writing down 1, 2, 3 and that is the 3. Like that we completed up to the 120 and we write down the their frequency in numbering system. When we totaling that frequency, so then you can find out that is the 11. Means your that table is right. That is the 11 total scores is given. Now we check that frequency is, which one is the maximum? maximum here is the 3. Now we take that making the blot, and that shows the 15 is the your mode of the given questions. Means from the above table we find 15 is the mode since 15 has occurred the highest number of times. So that is the method. You can find also the simple. If data is lesser, you can find it only by the observation. But when the data is more, then you make that tabular form, and it is easy for using the tally bars, and that is making the frequency. So here we complete that mode. In the next part we discuss the median. Now we come into the next part of that question is median. So first we take what is the median. Median means in a given data arranged in a ascending or descending order. The median gives us the middle observation of that data. Or in other language, we say that middle value of that arranged data in ascending or descending order is called the median. It is now clear? That is the simple definition of the median. Means of the, suppose that is the data is given. So first the given data is arranged in the ascending order or descending order. Means increasing order or decreasing order. And if suppose number of data is 11. So now middle of that number is called that median. Now it is clear. For that purpose we are taking our question number 2, and that given runs scores are 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 50. It is now clear. So first we arranged in a ascending order of the above data. Ascending order means first we takes the minimum number and last is the maximum number. That is called the ascending order of the data. So first we copy 6, then 8, then 10, that is comes into the 2 times. So we write down 2 times. Then 15, here is 3 times. We repeat into 3 times. Then write 50, 80, 100, 120. Now total data is counting is 11. So middle of that 11, 5 left here, 5 left here, middle is that is the 15. So 15 is the middle of the data, therefore median is the 15. Same thing can be do with the help of the in the descending order. Okay. Same question by the descending order. So that data is now arranged in the maximum to minimum, that is called the descending or the decreasing order. 120, 100, 80, 50, 15, 15, 15, 10, 10, 8, 6. It is okay. Again we left the 5 here and 5 here. Okay. And the middle of that one is the 50. So median is the 50. Means you can apply the ascending method or the descending, answer will be the same. Okay. So now in that question number 2 we have find out the mean value 39, mode value is 15 and median is 50. So what will be the conclusion is that all three are not same. So the answer of the third part is no. They are not the three are not same. That is the last part. Means the mean, mode and median measures of the central tendency. They lay between the minimum and maximum value of the data. That is the main thing for the data analysis, mean, mode and median.
If you want that MultiChoice Academy solve your problems, queries and doubts, so subscribe MultiChoice Academy and comment your problem in the comment box. Thank you.